my porch one day, chewing my gum in a lazy way, when up came Herman, squiggly and small. I said, Herman, how are you at all? He said, I ate a great big grape. Then he wiggled, he wobbled, and he grew in shape. Oh, Herman, Herman, what a sight to see. You're the wiggliest worm that ever could be. Next day, I sat with my lemonade. Out came Herman from the garden shade. I said, hey buddy, you're looking stout. He said, I ate a melon, now check me out. He said, I ate a melon, a juicy melon. Then he wriggled, he jiggled, his size was telling. Oh, Herman, Herman, what a sight to see. You're the wiggliest worm that ever could be. Herman, oh Herman, what's next on the plate? You're growing so fast at an alarming rate. From grapes to melons, what's your master plan? Are you trying to become the world's biggest worm, man? The final time I saw Herman again, he was big as a house. I couldn't pretend